Do you need a container that can contain enough liquid to get you through the day, whether it's hot or cold? Then Buzio has you covered with their half-gallon water bottles. Made from food-grade stainless steel with their copper thermal armor technology, keeping your drinks cold up to 48 hours and your hot drinks hot up to 24 hours. A BPA lid and parts, including a durable sweat-free powder coating. This water bottle comes with 2 straws and a cleaning brush and a lifetime warranty. What I like about this bottle is its wide opening, so you can easily add your ice and clean the interior. And there's a leak-proof gasket around the lid, so there will be no problem tossing this in your bag without any issue. Me, myself, I'm a little bit hard on things at times. That's why I can appreciate the tough powder coating. And you can pick yours up at link in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, dislike this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.